Hi guys, welcome back to the show. Today we're going to talk about deferred compensation plans, the place where you put money away at work so you'll have a good retirement. Join us, Firefighter Financial Toolbox. Welcome back to the show. My name is Brad and I'm a firefighter. Today on the Firefighter Financial Toolbox, we're going to help you get some tools that can help you plan for your future. Today we're talking about deferred compensation plans, or what are known by the IRS as qualified plans. That's just a fancy way of saying a bucket of money that you can put away for your retirement. Now, the most common one that we all know is a 401k plan. 401k plan is what pretty much all of America has. They can be used in big companies, small companies. Pretty much everybody can enroll in a 401k plan. The second type of plan out there is called a 403b plan, and these are mostly involved with either educational institutions, schools, universities, teaching hospitals, these kind of things. They have some special rules that they follow too. Don't know a whole lot about them other than that their contribution limits are the same as ours. As firefighters, we have what is commonly known as a 457B plan, or a governmental agency plan. 457Bs are for state and local governments and a few nonprofit organizations. They have some special taxation rules. Okay, let's talk about the contribution types. There's two types of contributions you can make to a deferred compensation. The first is traditional, or what we call pre-tax money. This is money that comes out of your check before Uncle Sam gets a chance to tax you on it. Now, the nice thing about a traditional account is you get a tax savings right up front. Now let's talk about whether we want to put the money away in traditional or if we want to put it in a Roth. Now, not all plans allow Roth contributions. My 457 does not. There are plans that do. You'll have to check your plan's rules. So if you put in the money Roth, the money does not get the money gets taxed before it comes to you and gets put into the plan. So you would get taxed initially, but that money will grow tax-free, and it can be withdrawn at retirement tax-free as well. So whatever you make is yours to keep. This can be especially important since we're going to have pensions. Now, most people out there these days don't have pensions. As firefighters, we're lucky that most of us will have some kind of pension. Now, I know the pensions are going the way of the dinosaur, and the politicians sure want to get rid of it because they sure don't like us having them. But I'm pretty sure that in 5 years when I'm eligible to retire, that I will have some kind of a pension. For my tax planning in retirement, I'm considering putting away a little bit extra into Roth and possibly doing some Roth conversions in the first few years of my retirement. The advantage to putting money into traditional now is if you are in a higher tax bracket, or you and your spouse are in a high tax bracket, you can get a nice savings. For example, this year, wife and I will put away approximately $50,000 between her 401k and my 457. That's going to reduce our taxable income by $50,000. That's a big tax savings. Problem being is when we go to take it out, if we are in a higher tax bracket, we're going to have to take that money minus whatever our tax bracket is. So let's say we're in the 25% tax bracket in retirement. That means a quarter of the money that I have saved, let's say $500,000, I'm going to lose $125,000 to taxes right off the top. So that's something to think about. Like them or not, and I don't want to get into politics, Trump did lower our taxation rate. And in fact, it's the lowest it's been in almost 50 years. So it's a good time, if we were thinking about doing Roth contributions, to think about it. Because as you know, in 2024, the tax rates are going to go back up to what they were before 2018 changes. So I know that I was in the 28% tax bracket and I've been dropped down to the 22%. So 6% of $100,000 is $6,000. So as far as putting away money into either a Roth IRA, or if your plan allows, into a Roth contribution to your 401k or your deferred compensation plan. So let's ask an important question. Does your employer give a match? If your employer gives a match, you need to take advantage of it. Here's why. It's free money. You put $1 in, they put $1 in. You get 100% return on your money. There's no better investment. Now, a lot of plans have restrictions on how that works. A lot of times you'll see it written as, we'll match 50% up to 6%. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the show. I hope you got something out of learn about the qualified plans and deferred compensation and different plans and some of the different things that involve what we need to do for these plans. I'd like you to subscribe to the channel. Please, if you like it, hit the thumbs up button, comment down below. Tell me if your plan has a match, and if so, are you contributing to that much? Are you contributing to a Roth? Are you contributing to any other plans? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you have any plans for future shows, guys, put them in the comments. I will respond. If you give me an idea, I want to talk about it. I want to help. And I want to thank you again for joining me today on the Firefighter Financial Toolbox, where we give you tools to get financial independence and enjoy a long retirement. Have a good week. See you.